Kids.
Make it big, Shiny. Make it big. I could tell them to say something. Okay.
Say hi. How are you?
That is amazing. Wait till we show you the video of this, Michael.
Say something really slow again.
Oh my gosh, how is that even possible? Why is your daddy talking like that, Micah? Why are your daddy talking like that? Funny.
Why don't you use the camera?
Say hi, Micah.
We're recording your daddy. Oh my gosh, that's cool.
Mommy, I don't like it when Daddy says slow.
He's not talking.
It's okay. It's
That's
only the
very-
computer. The computer's like...
What?
No.
Okay.
What did he say?
He's gonna hang up and call again.
Oh. Say bye-bye real slow.
Say bye, chipmunk daddy. Say bye-bye, chipmunk. Say bye-bye, family.
Can you just open it?
Mike, you want to go open it?